Hello, and welcome to WealthWise, our channel where we discuss all things related to wealth, personal finance, investing, and much more. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to get out of debt and improve your credit score. Having a high credit score is crucial for financial success, but it is easy to fall into debt and damage your credit score. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you get out of debt and improve your credit score. Tip number 1. Create a budget. The first step in getting out of debt is creating a budget. List all of your monthly expenses and compare them to your monthly income. Look for ways to cut expenses and prioritize debt payments. A budget will help you track your spending and stay on top of your debt payments. Tip number 2. Prioritize your debt payments. Once you have a budget, prioritize your debt payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, like credit cards, to avoid accumulating more interest. Make minimum payments on other debts and increase payments as you pay off higher interest debts. Tip number 3. Consider consolidating your debt. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, consider consolidating them into one lower interest loan. This can make it easier to manage your debt payments and reduce your overall interest costs. Tip number 4. Use credit responsibly. To improve your credit score, you need to use credit responsibly. Make payments on time and keep your credit utilization ratio low. Avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once, as this can negatively impact your credit score. Tip number 5. Monitor your credit score regularly. Monitoring your credit score can help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Check your credit report for errors or fraudulent activity and dispute any inaccuracies. Getting out of debt and improving your credit score can seem overwhelming, but with these tips and tricks, you can take control of your finances and improve your financial well-being. Remember to create a budget, prioritize debt payments, consider consolidating your debt, use credit responsibly, and monitor your credit score. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks related to wealth, personal finance, investing, and more. Thank you for watching.